What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first step is try and get your white side like three right here. Three white sides right here. And then you're going to flip it to where your missing piece, like this color, is on your bottom right. And so what you're going to do after that is try and locate your white piece, your other white piece. You're going to try and move it to here. Okay, so you see the white is on the top. You're going to either have it here, here, or here. And you can't have it on this side because it will not work like that. So after you get that, you're going to go right, inverted, bottom, counterclockwise, right, up, bottom, clockwise, and you're going to repeat that until the white is solved. Okay, so this time now we're going to solve this side. So you can either have no sides solved like this, you can have one like this, or you can have all. If you have all, you can skip to the next part, but if you have none, it doesn't matter which way you put it. But if you have one like this, you're going to try and face it away from you like this. Now, this is the next step. You're going to go right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right up, left inverted, left bottom clockwise, left up. And you're going to repeat that until you see you have these solved like right here. And you have all of these solved too, like the up. Now what you're going to do is try and solve the yellow. So if you have no yellows, it doesn't matter. But if you have one yellow, you're going to try and put it in the bottom left corner. If you have two yellows right here, you're going to try and line them up right here like I do. And if you have diagonal like this, you're going to try and make it to where there's bottom left, top right. So what you're going to do is face them up to where this side is up. You're going to go up, right, up, face, or this side, counterclockwise, right inverted, counterclockwise, and then right up, twice counterclockwise, down. And then you see I have one piece here, so I'm going to do that. If you have two here, and then two lined up here. So and you're going to repeat that until the yellow is solved. So now I have the yellow solved here. So then what you're going to do is you either have, you're going to try and, you see you have two here, two here. So if you have that, you're going to make them faced up like this to where you have three. You have yellow, some color, and white. And if you don't have that, then it's okay, do the algorithm again. But if you have this, you're going to face this color away from you. And then what you're going to do is go, this is the tricky part, right inverted, face clockwise, right inverted again. So you have two whites, one yellow, and a color. And then you're going to go back one, twice, anyway. So you have the same like this. So it's the same. And you're going to go right up, face, or this face counterclockwise, right down, right inverted. So you have two yellows, two whites. Then you're going to go back or front. I like to go front twice anyway, right inverted twice anyway, and then you just solved it.